What if one shotgun earned the nickname the perfect repeater and stayed in service for more than half a century? Meet the legendary Winchester Model 1912, one of the most respected pump-action shotguns ever built. Designed by the brilliant firearms engineer Thomas Crossley Johnson and introduced in 1912, the Winchester Model 1912 was manufactured by the Winchester Repeating Arms Company in the United States. It quickly became famous for its incredible reliability, smooth action, and outstanding craftsmanship. Unlike many earlier shotguns, the Model 1912 featured an internal hammer and a strong pump-action system with a tilting bolt, making it faster, smoother, and more dependable than many of its competitors. Every cycle of the action felt precise, earning it a reputation that shooters still admire today. The shotgun was produced in 12, 16, 20, and 28 gauge versions, allowing hunters, sport shooters, law enforcement, and military personnel to choose the model that best suited their needs. Depending on the configuration, it typically held 5 to 6 shells in its tubular magazine. The Winchester Model 1912 wasn't just popular with civilians. It also served the United States military during World War I, World War II, the Korean War, and the Vietnam War. Military versions included the famous trench gun, equipped with a heat shield and bayonet mount, and the riot gun, designed for close-range security and law enforcement duties. One of the shotgun's most fascinating features was its ability to slam fire. On early models, if the trigger was held down while the pump was cycled, the shotgun would fire immediately as the action closed. This allowed exceptionally rapid firing, although later production models eliminated this feature for safety reasons. Built almost entirely from forged and machined steel, the Model 1912 was incredibly durable. Many examples manufactured over 100 years ago are still functioning today, a testament to Winchester's remarkable engineering and quality. Production continued from 1912 until 1964, with nearly 2 million shotguns manufactured. Although it eventually became too expensive to produce compared to newer designs, its legacy remains unmatched. Collectors and firearm enthusiasts still consider it one of the finest pump-action shotguns ever created. From hunting fields and shooting competitions to battlefields around the world, the Winchester Model 1912 proved that reliability, craftsmanship, and timeless engineering never go out of style. If you enjoyed learning about this legendary shotgun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more fascinating firearm history,